Hola, buenas noches. Bueno, el día de hoy vamos a ver los tiempos futuros, la diferencia entre el going to y el will. Listo. Tenemos aquí un conversation model. Tenemos que ella es Phoebe y ella es Emily. Phoebe dice, look at this. They are going to build a new factory outside the city. Then Emily says, what? Oh no. That will be terrible. There will be more pollution and more traffic. Phoebe says, you're right. And it's going to affect tourism. It will be a disaster for this area. Emily says, I wonder if we can do something to help. Phoebe says, well, I'm gonna write to the newspaper. I know many people who won't be happy about this. Emily says, I'll help you. Phoebe says, great, we could start an online campaign. Emily says, they're gonna have a fight on their hands. I'll get my tablet and we can start writing. Okay, so when do we use will? Utilizamos will utilizamos will para una decisión rápida. I am thirsty, I think I will buy a drink. Si tengo sed, creo que compraré una bebida. Esto es algo muy rápido, espontáneo. An offer. That looks heavy. I will help you with it. Ok, como eso se ve muy pesado, déjeme, yo le ayudo. Ok, then promise. Don't worry, I won't tell anyone. Como te prometo que no le diré a nadie. Threat, amenaza. If you don't stop, I will tell your mother. Si no te detienes, le diré a tu madre. Refusal, como un rechazo hacia algo. ¿Sí? Ella no escucha nada de lo que dijo. Listo, entonces aquí tenemos que entonces el going to es para prior plans. Es decir, que la decisión fue hecha antes del momento de hablar. Sí, es decir, I'm going to the beach next weekend. With my friends. Listo, o cuando hay evidencia de que algo va a pasar, de que algo es muy probable que vaya a pasar. When there are signs that something is likely to happen. My stomach hurts a lot and I think I'm going to throw up. It's 7-0, they're going to win. Sí, ya es muy evidente que van a ganar. Ok, entonces con esto tenemos lo siguiente. Listo, entonces hay que escoger la forma de futuro correcta. What are your plans after you finish university? I am going to work in a hospital or I will work in a hospital. ¿Cuál sería la opción correcta? Listo, aquí la opción correcta es I am going to. Why are you carrying a camera? I am going to take some pictures this afternoon. Es un plan que tiene la persona. The sky is very dark. It is going to rain. Your birthday next week? Any ideas? No, my boyfriend is going to travel anyway. Are you ready to order? I can't decide. Well, okay, I think I will eat chicken, please. Okay, another correct future form. I can't come to class tomorrow because I am going to look after my cousins, or I will. Okay, well, I am going to look after my cousins. Oh no, we need sugar for this recipe. Well, don't worry, I will go to the supermarket. It's a spontaneous decision. It's very hot in here. I will open the window. Spontaneous decision. Tonight looks good. I think I'm gonna go for a walk. I think I will go for a walk after dinner. I have never visited Mexico. Is it nice? Yes, it is beautiful. I will send you a postcard. What's your opinion about our future? I'm very sad. I think the planet is going to disappear in 2050. Or no, will disappear. It's a prediction. Okay, well, I think we can finish for today. Creo que ya podemos terminar por el día de hoy.